Hey guys, my name is Din Ginto from DinOnlinePitch.com and you're watching one of my review videos for the new product launches for online training and software products. Now stick around with me here because I'll be making a review about this new product launch called Mobile Moolah. Stay tuned. Now in today's video, I'll be making a review and walkthrough of how the Mobile Moolah works. Now as a reminder, this new product launch will go live on November 9 at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, so you'll be able to get access to Mobile Moolah when this goes live. Now I'm here inside of the members area of the Mobile Moolah. Now to put this briefly, Mobile Moolah is a web application compatible with both Mac, PC, and mobile device that makes it impossible to not see any results, because the way they put together this program is you can pretty much look for the offers here using this option here, and then it's gonna let you build a website builder over here for the WordPress. And then once you've done that, then you can pretty much send it to traffic so that you'll be able to send the offer to all this traffic here. And pretty much Mobile Moolah is a all-in-one business model for you to start looking for the products, that is containing an affiliate for you to start sending to your offers, and then build a website over here, which would be the next step. And then once you've done that, then you can pretty much send it to traffic and be able to start earning money this way. Now because with this program here, it's making it easy for you to start promoting your affiliate products. Everything is in here for you to start. You really don't have to start buying all this extra stuff that you need for your affiliate promotion, whereas everything here in Mobile Moolah is in here for you to get started. So whether you're a newbie or an experienced marketer, you can pretty much use Mobile Moolah. And then once if you're on vacation or pretty much anywhere around the world, obviously you can use this because it's mobile friendly use. So you can use your phone while creating this program, while creating the promotion that you're going to be sending to your offers. Build the website builder here and then send it to traffic. And so I want to talk about the benefits of Mobile Moolah. Now this new app lets your audience profit with nothing but their mobile phones. So again, like I mentioned before, you can use your mobile phones while you log in here, and you can pretty much set up everything that you need to do so that you can send your campaigns. And it also let you get profit from both computer and mobile phone. And this means you can pretty much go make money from this wherever you go, pretty much if you're on vacation or if you're pretty much running errands. But as long as if you're not like glued onto your computer, and you can still step away from your house and be able to use your phone and start finding offers, start building your website, then send it to traffic. Now again, this is an all-in-one system, so you don't have to pay monthly fees. So basically, you just pay this one-time fee and you can use this for lifetime. So that's how the Mobile Moolah is, and that's one of the advantages of this program. Now, although there are optional upgrades for this program, everything is included inside of Mobile Moolah for you to get started, so you can start generating profits right away. Then other than that, your investment in Mobile Moolah, you pretty much won't have to pay a dime to get extra results. And so one-time fee, start finding your offers, build your website, send it to traffic. That's all it is that you gotta do. Pretty simple, straightforward. And again, if you have any questions about how to use this program, there is a VIP training that you can watch over in the inside of the members area of the Mobile Moolah. Now I'm gonna show you a walkthrough really quick with how this works. So as you sign in inside of the members area of Mobile Moolah, it's gonna take you first here into the VIP training. So as you can see here, you can pretty much navigate through the the demos here. So this is the first demo videos. Then the second part would be video trainings that you can help get you started with how this program works. Pretty easy and straightforward. Then video 2, 3, there is pretty much 17 videos that's imported inside of this software. So you can go ahead and watch the trainings so that you'll have an understanding on how this works. So once you've done that, then over here, if you scroll down, these are all the bonuses that you can get access to. So you can pretty much download them. And again, I'm also going to be offering you my free bonuses as well as my way of saying thanks for taking the time to watch my review of this program. So right here is where you can find your offers here. So my alarm just went off. Sorry about that. And then this is where you can pretty much look at all the offers that you need to look for. Here are the categories that you can start looking for the offers of your choice that you want to look at. You can see here, these are all the niches that you can pretty much choose and see what kind of product that you'd like to promote using the Clickbank. This is the Clickbank marketplace. So again, you really don't have to go to Clickbank, sign up and do all that stuff. You can pretty much do it in here because it's way easier. Once you're watching the training, then you can pretty much hop on in here and you can look at all the categories that you need or you want to start promoting with Clickbank. Clickbank marketplace is right here. So this pretty much a software that's been created for you. So again, just to simplify the process of sending your affiliate offers with this. So once you've done that, once you pretty much create and choose the specific niche that you want to get promoted, now you're gonna hop into website builder. So this is where you can create your website builder using the WordPress here. So you can see here, this is where you go. And this is the basic user, so you can only use up to 5 websites only. But if you'd like to upgrade your membership to Pro, where you can use a lot of websites, then you can pretty much do so by upgrading to the Pro membership. Okay, so here step 1, you add, and then step number 2 is to configure. So that's how you pretty much create your website. Now on to the traffic engine. So if you hover your mouse over here, and as you can see here, this is the social poster. Then let's go over here so we can take a look at the social poster of the Mobile Moolah. Now it's going to take a while. So as you can see here, this is where you can import your Facebook accounts. Here is the multimedia post campaign list here. This is where you can do a call to action post, and this is where you can create your carousel video posts here. You can go ahead and do your import your social accounts over here, so you can pretty much start creating your posts here, image posts if you prefer that, or you can do a video post and so much more. This is the comment automation. So again, it's gonna help you navigate the process of the comment automation. Oops. So this is a comment. Oh, sorry about that. And then this is where you can create a comment section. Automations, you can see here. Create campaign pages, animal lovers. Pretty much testing to see if anything works. So this is pretty much how you can get started by going set campaign by ID, and then you go from there. And let's go to the comment templates. You can create your template here, and then you can pretty much it's gonna go over here for your template, so you can start using that template comment here. Then reply template. So if anyone asks you questions trying to reach you out, then again, this is where you can create your new template for the auto reply template here. And this is the automation campaign. So if you want to automate your campaign, so you just set and create so that you can pretty much send it to your offers automatically. And here is the report. So it's going to show you the report of your campaigns here, and this is the auto reply report over here as well. And that's it. So as you can see here, is pretty easy, simple setup for the Mobile Moolah. So I don't like anything that has a lot of options for me to start navigating. It's just gonna confuse me, whereas this one is simplified, very straightforward. What you need to do is pretty much watch the trainings so you have an understanding of how this works. This is where Profit Finder is where you can start looking for offers using the Profit Finder here. It's based on Clickbank offers. Then you send it, or actually build your website here. So as you can see here, you go by each step. Then once you've done that, then you just send it to traffic, and this is where you pretty much set up your templates, your automation, comment, and so much more for your social media. So you can send it there, and you really don't have to log in to Facebook, then do some comments, and it's just too much work in my opinion. Whereas this one, it's helping you simplify the process by importing all your social media here. You just type in everything in here, and then you just send it, and that's that. So you really don't have to do all this manual work entries onto your social media. Then here are the available upgrades where I'm gonna be showing you later. So but let me go ahead and click on that so you can see this upgrades that's gonna show you over here. Okay, let me just reset it. Like earlier, I actually have an outage of the internet. It was nationwide, so this is probably why it's not showing right now, but you can pretty much get access to the upgrades. Fortunately, it's not showing right now due to me having issues with my internet earlier, and so that's probably the reason why. So I apologize that I couldn't show you the upgrades, but again, it should show you once you decide to pick up Mobile Moolah, when you decide to pick this up during the launch period. So that's pretty much it for the Mobile Moolah members area. Now, I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you who like to pick this up by my link, which is down below in the description of this video. Now, if you click on the link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And if you want to pick up Mobile Moolah, this is going to go live on November 9. That's when you'll be able to click on any of these yellow buttons here that's going to go through to the sales page, which looks like this. Okay, and right over here is where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now you need to pick up before the countdown timer runs out onto my bonus page here, because when my countdown timer runs out, then all of my bonuses will disappear, and that's obviously something that I don't want you to miss out on. Okay, and right over here are my bonuses offer. Now to claim these bonuses, they are 100% free of charge and instantly will deliver to you. Now all you need to do first of all is click on that link down below in the description that comes through to my bonus page here. Just scroll down and click on any of these yellow buttons here that's going to go through to the sales page. That's where you can go ahead and pick this up. And now if you have any questions about my bonuses, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page. Send me a message right there, and I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. Now, this bonuses that I'm offering to you, I just mentioned to you earlier, is completely free of charge, even if you just pick up the front end, which is only a one-time price of $17. And now, also you can upgrade your front end purchase for those of you who are interested in scaling up your online marketing needs, so you can get more access to the upgrades to help meet your needs for your online business. Now, please consider checking out all the upgrades if you want to increase your chances of earning more money. You will find all the information of my upgrades here onto my bonus page. If you click the link down below, just scroll down and just pretty much find this offer right here. So as you can see here, this is the front end of the Mobile Moolah. If you want to upgrade your Mobile Moolah product here, so it's going to go up here, and then just pretty much go up and down just to kind of see how much are the costs of the upgrades for you to check out. I would take a chance to consider checking all the upgrades, so that in the near future, once you decide to upgrade, once you decide to start making all the extra free websites for your online website, so you can start earning money and send all the promotions for your traffic, definitely worth checking out the upgrades, so you can potentially earn that extra income using this program. So that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching my Mobile Moolah review. Now I hope you enjoy my review video, and make sure to click the link below to purchase Mobile Moolah at a discounted price. And also don't forget to check out my free bonuses that you can check out down below in the description of this video. Now I'll see you guys on to my next video, and thanks again for watching my review video. Now make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on to my next video.